Have you ever wondered why some people become wealthy while most people struggle financially? The answer isn't luck. And it's not always about working harder. The biggest difference is how they think about money. Most people work for money. Wealthy people make their money work for them. Instead of spending every paycheck, they invest part of it. Over time, those investments can grow through compound growth. That's why starting early matters more than starting with a lot of money. Another mistake many people make is buying things that lose value. Cars, expensive gadgets, and luxury items can make you look rich. But investments can help build real wealth. Wealthy people also keep learning. They read books, develop new skills, and look for opportunities instead of excuses. They know that small financial decisions, repeated over many years, can lead to big results. The goal isn't to get rich overnight. The goal is to become financially free over time. Remember, it's not about how much you earn. It's about how much you keep, invest, and grow. If you found this video helpful, like, subscribe, and join Dollarvest for simple videos about money, investing, and building long-term wealth. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.